right, special thanks to this company for sending me their solar wall lantern. So this is a 2-pack. You can kind of see about what they look like here on the front. The side, just a picture and some patented information. The back has the same picture as the front, but adds that it turns on at dusk, easy installation, warm white 3000K, included rechargeable batteries, and you save energy and money. Just a picture over here, LED, you know, same thing. Nothing on the bottom, of course. So there's their little sticker right on the top, solar wall lantern. Let's open this up. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so a little glass solar hanging light instruction manual here. So it, you know, gives you some information of how you want to set it. At first, use pull pin to on, it'll work automatically. So you gotta take it out, flip the switch on, put it back in, and then mount your screws and just hang it up. Pretty simple. Definitely though, solar light needs to charge in full sunlight for 8 to 12 hours with the switch on. So basically, put this out in the morning and give it really about 2 days before you expect to really see the brightness in use. Because even though it says 8 to 12 hours, the first day it's gonna get charged and then it's gonna use some of it, and then the next day it should get like fully charged. You always gotta give solar stuff a little bit of time. Let's set that here, and then let's look at it. Let's see what we got here. Here's our, how does it, hold on. All right, so that's it for the box. And so here's our little mounts. Screws are in there too. So our screws and anchors for each mount. And these are the actual mounts. So they would hang in that direction, so you're able to hook it on. And of course, each screw just goes into there and boom, you've got some hanging little solar lights. I personally love this like rustic little look that it has going for it. I think that's just really nice. Now let's look at the actual components. How do we get it out of here? Hold on. Okay, click hooks. Number one. All right, get them out of the plastic here. Wow. Your solar panel's right on top. And of course, this is your little hook that will hook in and make it hang like that. Pretty cool. And let's also twist this off. Oh, look at our little LED there. So that's replaceable. And here's your on and off switch. Remember, more important information on hanging. So we're gonna flip this on to on and take this little bubble stuff out. And then this literally locks back into place. You can see the grooves here and here. So it actually even cut on there. You saw that? Look at that. It's cutting on because of my hand blocking the. But there we go. Now we turn this and boom. It's in there. It has that same rustic look, like that it's old, but it's not really old. I really like these. So we've got to get this one set up too. But what we're going to do is we're going to get these set up, and then we will go outside, hang these up, we'll let them charge for a day or two and see exactly what they look like. Let's go. And to add, these feel like really good quality. Like nothing feels plasticky or cheap. It's all some type of thin aluminum type metal, but look-wise, looks great. All right, so we have everything we need for our vintage lanterns. Now let's put our hook, take out a lantern, take out the other hook, and screws, and screwdriver. This pole seems to get some sunlight. I think we're gonna put one right here. All right, hook is up. Also, make sure when you put it up to have this part facing upwards, or else, well, you can't hang the lantern. Go, buddy, go. Hi, Zappy. Like the shade? All right, now it's already on, so it's hung, and it will continue to get sunlight throughout the day, and then we'll see what it looks like later tonight. I guess let me put this one up and then you can see what it looks like. All right, so this is the lanterns. These are on, this one's a little close to this light, so you can't really tell the brightness as much. It puts off more brightness than you're seeing in the screen. It's probably, yeah, you can kind of see how it goes around like that. You don't see that on widescreen as much. Let me walk over to the other side and show you the other one. And here is also this light, which as you can see, puts off about that same amount of brightness You just can't really tell from here. So, but they charge up in the day, and they're not super bright. They're not like blinding bright. Sorry for all the crickets, but they are a good amount of brightness. Perfect for a little light to be able to see. We really like these. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.